Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing this differently. I'm taking you on an actual tour. So whether you're watching this from Michigan, Alaska, or even Japan, take a tour with me, no editing involved, on this beautiful house right on the water with a pool. Now, before we start, this is on a cul-de-sac in Ruskin, so you can see the water's right behind the house over there. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Anything you want to know about the house from price and everything will be in the description. But this is a no HOA, no CDD, waterfront pool home. 103 6th Northwest in Ruskin. Huge driveway, 1-car garage. Look at all the shells. And we're going to walk inside and take a tour. We're not going to rush it. We're not going to edit it. We're just going to come do this together. All right. So we're going to walk in. And as you see, this is an entertaining house. What I absolutely love about this house is right when you walk in, the water's right there. And you see the water and it's so beautiful. Now, you might not see it the way I see it, because obviously it's a little different in my eyes compared to the screen, but it's wonderful. Living area, TV. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Another TV. I mean, there's TVs everywhere. I'm telling you, entertaining. You got bedroom number 1. Then you have bedroom number 2 to the right, and then another bedroom number 3 right there, which we can go out that way, or we can go out through the laundry room. So I'm going to show you the 2 access points, right? So you can walk this way. I'm going to show you this amazing bathroom too, by the way. And you can get out this way to the pool and go right outside. You get a little shower and bathroom there. Or you can go out that bedroom. But first, let me show you this. Let me show you the main bedroom. I want to show you the shower. Okay, you might even see a reflection of me. Who knows? We walk in here. Look at this. Holy moly. It's playing music. What? So, big bathroom. Nice towel. Let's turn off the switches. Save electric. But I want to take you to the best part, obviously, of this beautiful waterfront home. Look at this kitchen, though. I mean, imagine just having people over, hanging out. You could put dining room set over here. You can even open that up if you want. Put some French doors so you can go right outside. Now, this right now they're just using for storage, so don't mind this whole area. But we'll go outside. Look at this. This is magical. Now you have the pool over here. And then you have not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 boat slips. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you win? 4 boat slips. Look at this. Imagine coming out here every day or every morning and just having a cup of coffee, just looking at the dolphins and the manatee. And this is a house right here in Ruskin for sale. And if you have any questions, you can call me. Remember, in the description is everything you want to know about it. I'll put square footage, the price, the incentives, and this could be your house. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no HOA, no CDD, waterfront pool home with, as a bonus, a handsome real estate agent. We'll be back. Talk to you soon.